Ooh. That film's a good thriller. And here's a tape looks like with Lost Souls and was born on July 19th, 2001.
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at Newline's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to Newline. The question is, have you seen it? Have you heard it? Have you felt it? DVD. It's a movie on a disc the size of a CD. The picture is twice as sharp as VHS. The sound is so incredibly clear, you can hear a pin drop. It looks and sounds like you're at the movies, but you can experience it at home. And let's not forget, you can watch it in widescreen, hear it in different languages, choose from features like director's notes, behind-the-scenes footage, trailers, and more. Even watch a movie right on your computer. Whoa! And rent or buy thousands of DVD titles available from these great Hollywood studios. DVD. See it. Hear it. Feel it. DVD. And now, our feature presentation.
Death Cells are modified original versions performed for your TV. By the Class Fiction Administration, www.filmmates.com.